A little indecision, a little bit of rest, a lot of data. What is going on, everyone? Jeremy Ritz here. Courage pays better than fear trading. I am on my way to pick up the kiddos. Just wrapped up a Wednesday war room. Thank you to everyone who joined me today. We had a lot of ticker requests. It was fun to take a look at. Some interesting stocks: RR, Plug, Soundhound we looked at, Zeta. What else did we look at? Grab, GR, ticker symbol GARB. We looked at the broader markets. We talked data. We did it all. So thanks for being there. And today in the markets, this Wednesday, we are a little bit red. Right now, the SPX is red. The Qs are higher. We've seen gains today from Microsoft, Google, Amazon is up, Tesla's up slightly. And so big tech is leading the way today. But again, the S&P 500 is down. And we're also seeing the DIA, Dow Jones Industrial, which was crushing higher the last few days. It's cooling off a little bit, some profit taking coming in. And IWM is taking a little break as well. So seeing a little bit of a pause in small caps, Dow Jones, movement of some flows into big tech, and that's kind of what we're seeing today. And we did get some data. We got JOLTS job openings, which came in less than what was anticipated, so continues to show that there's weakening in the labor market, which is good for rate cuts. It's not good for the everyday American. And then we also got ISM Services PMI, which came in a little higher than expectations, which shows that there is some growth in the economy. And so it's kind of the Goldilocks scenario, even though that data point is a bit inflationary. And so that's what we got in terms of data today. It was kind of a mixed reaction. Man, it is bright. First of all, it is a beautiful day out there today. Gorgeous. So I got to run in, I got to lift in, I got to bike ride in, training for the Ironman, obviously. So that's why I'm doing so much. But I just got to say, my Lord, is it beautiful. Actually, for the bike ride, went out with my good friend Edmund, and just blessed, man. It's just gorgeous. Anyway, I digress. Back to the story. So in other news, surprise, surprise, after the big push by Bitcoin, it's doing the same thing. It's repeating 2025 all over again. It pushes up above 94,000. The bears step in, smash it down, push it down, and we're kind of stuck in that pattern where it's just going to do this, right? And until you get a strong close above that 94,000 mark, you can go look at the daily chart yourself. You can see it's just upper wick after upper wick when it gets into that price area. Until you get a strong candle body close above those wicks, it's just going to be more of the same, more chop, more sideways movement. I do think that we do get a breakout on Bitcoin at some point. We did get a nice little pop here this week, but it's just not holding, right? And as a result, the crypto related stocks like Coinbase, MSTR, CRCL, Mara, which provided nice pops the last few days, made some decent money off of them. Though today I'm probably going to take my first loss of 2026 on a CRCL day trade. It's the cost of doing business, but I'm grateful for the loss. But anyway, Bitcoin just can't hold the strength, so we have to see if they're going to be able to reverse that, if they're waiting for the non-farm payroll data that we're going to get on Friday, the unemployment rate. We're also supposed to get a ruling about whether or not the tariffs are constitutional on Friday from the Supreme Court. So that definitely has implications for what's going to happen in the market. So there are definitely some things hanging out there that need to be resolved. But I mean, the trend is still bullish. I mean, we're at all-time highs. So I can't even call this a red day. It's a red day. We're down like 2 points, but I mean, the market is just continuing to push. So, but that's where we are right now. That's kind of the 30,000 foot view. Those are the things that I'm keeping an eye on. And really my primary focus right now, and I think this is the key, and I said this in a previous video, the key to the next big massive leg up is going to be this round of earnings that's coming. And we're going to have APLD, who reports at close today. So by the time you watch this video, that earnings report will have come and gone. But it's next week when the big banks start reporting. And then you have Netflix that reports on the 20th. And then you're going to have all the Mag 9 begin to report. Your mega cap tech, your Amazon, your Apple, your Tesla, all those, Meta. That's going to be the catalyst that I think gets us to 7,000. And so we might see some chop and slop, a little bit of red in between now and then until we start getting those big boy reports. So, and then remember, like I said, mid-February, I'm trying to be as flat as possible in terms of my trades, because I think at that point, that's where we're going to get some material weakness in the markets and downside correction. So that's how I'm going to play it. So that's all I got for you today here on this episode of Driven. Again, I got to say this again. This group of students in the New Year Wealth Accelerator, my Lord, you guys are amazing. I'm going to tell you that. You guys are super engaged. I was feeling it last night, was into it. I went way over the expected time. But I just want to thank you guys for bringing the energy, the excitement, the engagement, the questions, the responses. I love it. I'm looking forward to tonight. It's going to be amazing. So just wanted to give you guys another shout out. And with that said, deep breath. As always, make it a great day. Honor the moment. And as always, be grateful. Thank you, everyone, for checking out this video. Take care.